name is Natalio Castañeda. Originally, I was working with a sugar company for the past 27 years. I resigned to come and venture in our family business. So I've been working for the past 22 years.
The business has developed a lot since the beginning in the 90s. Meanwhile, 25 employees are working in NL's tortilla factory. The process of making the tortillas is still the same.
Before we can get the tortillas, we have the corn. We will cook the corn, for instance, in the evening, and then the following morning we'll be washing, then we'll be grinding, then we'll be mixing. Then by then, the oven is hot already. Then we have the dough, then it's ready to put in the machine, then we have the tortillas.
The thin round slices of dough are baked by 300 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Afterwards, the tortillas are ready to be packed, so they keep fresh until they are finally sold. These here go even across the border of Belize to Guatemala. Mario, this customer, he runs a restaurant there. That's why he comes to buy quite a big amount.
We have a sports bar in Melchor de Mencos, Guatemala. So you're welcome to come and you can come enjoy the tortillas over there. Thank you.
Hugo is one of Natalia's sons and in charge of the sales business and marketing. Today he's creating new logos for the chips bags.
From there, we'll just stick it on the bags.
So how many tortillas do you think you produce a day?
I think about 70,000 tortillas per day. A week, that would be a lot.
How many tortillas do you eat a day?
That's a good one. Maybe about a half pound.
That's about how many?
16 tortillas.
A day?
Yeah.
You like them?
Yeah.
In NL's tortilla factory, not only tortillas and taco shells are being produced. The variety of the products is growing with the years.
We have developed, we have increased our production, we have introduced the chips. We're standing by this shelf right now. We started just with a little bit. Now we have what we call the plain ones. Then we have the salted flavor, salt and pepper, lemon pepper. Recently we introduced the cheese flavor and the barbecue flavor. And people are very happy with those two new flavors.
And this is the way the chips are made. The tortillas are put into this machine. They slowly get pressed down until they are all cut into quarters. There you go, the chips are now ready to be fried. And of course, the owner of the tortilla factory needs to check the quality of the different flavors.
I taste all of them, actually. They're nice. The lime right now is really good because when you taste it, you feel that flavor, that sourness of the lime or lemon, whatever you call it.
Finally, the chips are delivered all over the country.
These chips will go south. Stan Creek, Independence, Placencia, Punta Gorda. And then we cover down here also locally, around the areas, Pelmopan, Belize, San Ignacio, Santa Elena.
And while this load is on its way to various restaurants and shops, the production in Natalio's tortilla factory keeps going on and on and on.